I'm over here doing a brow wax today on my client Megan. So what we are normally doing as far as our steps for our brow shape, we always like to ask questions to begin with. Are you using any retinol, retin-A, Accutane on your brows?
I'm not.
Perfect. And then we always want to make sure that they are not using a tanning bed.
No.
Perfect. So what we do is we're going to start with cleansing the skin, and then we're going to stencil out her brow shape, which I've already done, and I will show you what that looks like. So we always want to just cleanse the skin to remove any old makeup. And this is what one of our stencils look like, just to give you an example. So we find where the brow should start, which is this point I made, where the brow should end, and then where the arch is, and we match it up with our stencil. So we're going to remove everything that's not in our stencil. Just have you close your eyes for me. Is that temperature okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay?
Mm-hmm.
We're going to clean up the top here. And then with Megan, we're currently working on growing a little bit more on the inside corner. So really the center is just to kind of clean up any little peach fuzz. Our last step is we're going to finish with a little wax remover just to clean up any residue left behind. And that's it.